Hi everyone, it's Paris. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to unbox my brand new Louis Vuitton handbag. I love watching videos like this, so I hope you like mine. Obvious disclaimer, I'm no way bragging. This was a birthday present, and obviously if you know my channel, if you've seen my previous videos, I'm not the person that must have everything designer. I love a good dupe. And obviously this was a birthday present, so yeah, I thought I'd unbox it on this channel. So I went into the store and I got this handbag that I've been looking for literally probably the past like 4 months now. I've been stalking this bag. It was gonna be between this one and the Gucci Marmont camera bag, and obviously those have been everywhere, but I figured I should get something a little bit more timeless and a little bit more like classic, I guess you could say. So it comes in a box like this. So pretty. So once I undo the ribbon, this box basically opens up like that, and you can see the dust bag in there. The handbag is in the dust bag. So also in the bag was my receipt, and they just put it in the envelope like this. Yeah, so the handbag comes in a dust bag like this, and it seems like they've taped it up or something, or they have some tape down here. I don't know if that was just a missed thing on their part, but anyway, this is the handbag. So I decided to go with the Alma BB. I love this so much. It's literally like me as a purse. I feel like I'm just like obsessed with crossbody bags, and once I saw this one, I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. You basically unzip it like this, and it goes all the way down. So it does come with a crossbody strap like this, but I basically chose this one because I could either wear it like this if I'm like going out at night. You can always like just take it really formally if you wanted to. It could be just like a night bag, or if I wanted to, I could do the clips. So I could also do the clips or do the straps and wear it as like a regular shoulder bag, which is a little bit long if I just wear it like this on me. I'm 5'3", so I prefer to have it as a crossbody bag. I think it's the perfect size, and honestly, like, I'm not big on like huge big purses. I like something light and that I could carry around with me anywhere. And another detail I like about it is it has the little, I call them feet. I don't know if that's the technical term for it, but it has these on the bottom. So basically, if you sit it anywhere, it won't get dirty on the bottom. So I like that about it a lot. It also comes with, I don't even know what this is. I just saw this in here. But it comes with this. It's like a little Louis Vuitton pouch. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what's in here. Oh, the little lock. So, okay, so basically it came with a set of keys right here that you'll obviously take this part off and like carry this around with you somewhere else. But if you wanted to, you could take this lock that it came with and just lock the, so you could basically lock it up right there. So yeah, honestly, I'm so happy with my birthday present. I feel like this is something I'm going to keep for so long, and eventually, hopefully, I can, you know, pass this down to maybe my future daughter. So yeah, I really like this. I think it'll be really versatile. Like I said, I could wear it as a crossbody, or it's just like a regular carry handbag. And I feel like it's going to be super lightweight. I'm not going to carry a lot of things around with me because it's not going to fit like a whole lot. I mean, it's a good size, but it's not going to fit like to where you carry unnecessary things. So you can see on the inside, it's a pretty good size. It could carry even like a vlog camera or like a iPhone X or anything like that. Like, it'll carry a full-size wallet. So I feel like it's the perfect size. So yeah, that's my video today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed in the bottom. I have new videos every week, so I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!